I think it is long time, I, good 6 or 7 years.
All right.
So we started in 2007 probably, yes. Okay, we started long time back with messaging services. So we used to buy SMS bandwidth or SMS gateway services from them. And then we also started using voice and data, MPLS. And also this is like for enterprise usage, where basically I am from Value First and our company provides mobility services to enterprises. For that we use SMS, voice and data. So all that services we take, and for our internal consumption we do take a lot of photons and SIM cards from Tata, which we use for our own
Wonderful.
consumption. Okay, so basically these services are in a way available, I mean from other operators.
Do agree.
So it is not that, okay, some of the features have been unique, but it helped us a lot because the kind of service which was provided by Tata was great. When we started using SMS, when we started with them in 2007, after that Tata scaled up really very well, and they did a lot of work on their side to improve services or quality of services. So our experience with using Tata service was very great, and actually it raised the bar in a way in the market. True. Where people will say that, okay, if you are providing services, we would like to have Tata connectivity. This event was good, but in a way that we were also we knew about some of the services beforehand, because we have been associated with Tata for a long time and we have very good relationship with them. Certain things were new, certain things we knew already, but it has been very well organized. The presentation by Himanshu was really great in terms of content and the way he presented. And from this conference or from this event, there are definitely some takeaways for us.
Sure.
So that's a great part about it. So we've been now talking to Tata. Probably we can do something together with Tata, and we can take certain services from them which we can give to our enterprise customers.